are today at a modular hotel builder. We're actually at the plant. We're looking at one of the units. It's about 60 foot long. It is way cool. It's something you gotta see, and it is the wave of the future. So follow me. I am now stepping up into the hotel corridor. Now the hotel corridor comes a little unfinished, but ideally you can see here we're going to connect the hot and cold water. We got the sanitary sewer waste line, and we obviously have the whips where we actually connect in for all the electrical. And you can see the basic instruction of how this would come to your job site completed. So come on into the guest room. You can see the guest room is fairly finished, okay? We have the plumbing fixtures in place. We have the sinks, the showers, the flooring, the ceiling, all the FF&E packages that typically you would find in a hotel already set in place. So, basically this is coming to you on a flatbed truck. I'm just putting it into place, and you can see the beauty in this. Inside of the plant, we're looking out of the front window here too, but you can see the FF&E packages in place, the artwork, everything is done, comes to your job site. This is the wave of the future. We are part of it. We're working with you. We want to work with you. And call us today and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to working with you.